Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Pixel Gun 3D and we are going to be we're going to be opening as many crates as we can. So if I can just get these crates, maybe if I press armory, sorry. Come on, show me the stuff. I want it, where is it? As you can see, I've been saving up. We got 126 gems, that's pretty good. Okay, if I look around in here, it'll probably spawn in. Yes, alright, let's get right into this. 24 minutes, whatever. We will use all of our gems. Let's see if we can get some good guns today. Starting off the day, bear, teddy bear, not very good. We're going to be spending all of these gems on this. Oh, coins, that's okay, I guess. 5, that sucks, never mind. Alright, gun. Let's go. Come on. Ah, damn, we were so close to the shark gun. Alright. Let's go. Come on. Something good. Why free spin? I wanted that claw. I don't have a good weapon for melee. All I have is a knife. And, I need something good to go on knife party with. No! Oh, we were close to the shark. Inflict great damage. Oh, big deal. 1 in the gems. Come on, good coins. Oh, 50. I will take that. Any day. 50 coins is great. If we could get 50 gems, that would be amazing. No, not teddy bears. I don't want you, teddy bears. Alright, come on. Frag grenades. Come on. I don't want frag grenades. I want the shark gun or something good. No, I wanted the claw. I don't want a free spin. Come on. We can do this. Okay, I haven't gotten these before. Stormtrooper mask. I'll take that. It's something. It's not teddy bears, at least. Coins? Good coins. 5. No. I only want good stuff here. If I don't get a gun, I'm gonna be... Gems? Alright, 50. 5. We're back at 100. At least. Oh, boots. Hitman boots. For some reason, okay, if anybody's watching this, that is part of Really Soft, you gotta, if you win something in here, don't equip it, because it automatically equips it for you. It's kind of stupid. Oh, good coins. Alright, 5. Alright, let's see. Gun. Oh, Cupid's wings. Damn, that's not good. Come on, something good. 2 spins? Or the claw? No, I didn't get the claw. 2 spins. Alright. Boom. Coins? Oh, okay. Coins. Whatever. 5 is nothing. Gems. Good gems. 10. That's better than 5. And it gets me a couple extra spins. I don't know if this is ever going to end, because, I might just keep getting 50 gems and, it never ends. So this could be something really good. Come on. No, not coins. 5. That is terrible. Come on. Alright. And shark gun? No, I was so close to the shark gun. Demolition mask. Come on. I want that gun. Or any gun. Shark? No, of course. I'm never going to get it. You're just being mean to me, Pixel Gun. You gotta let me get it, man. How come gems isn't right beside coins anymore? Huh. Weird. Boom. Boom. Good luck. Cross my fingers, close my eyes. Ah, coins. 5. Come on, give me something better than 5 coins. No, not a big head potion. I don't want a big head. That's what she said. Gun? No, not coins. This is stupid. I was so close. I was so close. The claw? The claw? Oh. Let's see if we can get 500 coins by the end of this video. And let's aim for 4 thumbs up, because that would be awesome, guys. Oh, yep, 500. I just guessed that. And if you guys are enjoying this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Yeah. Cupid. No, I don't want Cupid's wings. Come on, give me something good. If this doesn't give me anything good, I'm going to be really mad. Because I've saved up a lot of stuff for this. Alright, Kung Fu Master skin. That's alright, I guess. I stick to the Slender, though, because he's unknown. He doesn't have a face. Boom. Okay, well, we're at 50 now. Shark, frag grenades. This is not turning out well. I was hoping I would get something sooner than this. Oh, no. That sucks. Oh, wait, no it doesn't. I got a free spin. No, I wanted the shark gun, not teddy bears. Come on. It's fucking stupid. Oh, oh, come on, lots of gems, lots of gems. 5, damn it. This is not turning out well for me. Not turning out well. Give me 50 coins. 5, why? I want 50. Come on, man. Be nice to me. I do not want, no, not that skin. Come on. I'm going to have to equip all of my stuff because it's going to take a while. No, 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 not disco balls. I want to do this thing on the other side. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, not the frickin' Hello Kitty skin. I like how Pixel Gun just like makes their characters with a different name so they don't get sued. 3. I don't want votes. Votes suck. Sandbox sucks. Maybe for some of you it doesn't. Oh, 10. 10, okay. Alright, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Good luck. Close my eyes. And I'm opening. 50! Oh, yes! We just got 50 gems! Yes! That is so good. Yes. Let's go. Whoa! Alright. Frag. Come on, come on, come on. How many gems? How many gems? Oh my god. We just got 50 gems again! We have more gems than we had when we started. No way. Okay, we started with 126. Now we're back there. We are gonna get a weapon no matter what, guys. I promise you a weapon. I promise. Oh, I'm recording with my cat and he's moving. Oh, come on, come on, come on. We gotta get a weapon. I know we're gonna get one. I just don't know what weapon. Super eager now. Oh, I was at 1, 2, 3. Shark gun? No, 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 no. La la la, no, 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 no. Come on. I'm gonna have like 500 frag grenades by the end of this. I can't believe we got 250 gems though. That was great. No, I don't want the freaking disco ball. I don't like balls. Oh, we're back at 111. Gems, how many? How many? 5. Alright, we got 250, so I don't really care anymore. As long as we get something, it's good. How many coins? 50 coins! We are lucking out on this. Okay, if we get to 600 coins, that'll be amazing because I was at 400. Cupid's wings, like, I'm not too upset anymore because I'm getting some good stuff already. 250s, though. That was great. Coins. Alright. I don't really care if it's 5 anymore because I got a lot. I already got a lot. Ooh, do I already have these boots? No, I don't have those. I do not. How many gems? Okay, 5, whatever. I still have a ton. I still have a ton. We were at 50 like a minute ago. Now we're at 103 again. 50 takes me like 4 days to get. And I've gotten it in like minutes. Minutes, I tell ya. More frag grenades. Oh, what the heck? It flipped. 3 teddy bears. No, I don't want that. Come on, come on. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, let's get something good. I just keep getting crap. Free spin, baby. Frag. Come on. Blah, blah, blah. Something good. What do I get? What do I get? I was close to the shotgun. At least it was close. It was close. Oh, no. Alright, let's... Come on, give me some coins. Give me some coins. 5. Alright, alright. What? Oh my god, yes! I'm gonna go equip that. I'm gonna go check that out. We got a weapon, guys. Oh my god, my guy looks so different. Alright, armory. Ooh, 10 instead of 9. Alright, alright. I'll take that, I'll take that. I'll equip it, I guess. Yeah, I'll leave it equipped. Alright, so rapid fire rifle. It only goes up again. How many? Oh, it goes to 16. That's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna change my boots back to what? Equip. There we go. Skin's the same. Armor's good. Mask. I want it on this. Equip. Hat is the same. Alright, let's go try to get another weapon. Shall we? Boom. Let's get a weapon. Let's get a weapon. Let's get a weapon. If I leave with no more weapons, I'll be a little upset, but I don't know. We already got 1 weapon, so that's pretty good. I don't know. Let's try to get 2. I promised you guys a weapon. We already got 1, so your promise is being fulfilled. So, like, don't leave me any hate. JK, JK. 10 coins. Yeah, see, we're almost at that 600 mark that I was talking about. Big head potion. Damn. Okay. I wanted that gun. I wanted that gun. I want that gold gun. I don't know what it's called, but the claw. No. 590. Yeah, we're totally gonna get 600 coins. Maybe I'll even buy something in this video. I'll buy me a sniper, cause I got to level 12 again. Because I did it before and my account got hacked and then it was gone. And if this account gets hacked, I'm going to be really mad because I got a lot of stuff on it. Boom. Da -da 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 -da. Shotgun. No. I don't like this teddy bear stuff. Bear costume. Who cares? And I don't want sandbox stuff. Okay. That's a pretty cool skin. Ice Wizard. You can equip the skin. I mean, I was going to buy this when I first started my old account. I was going to buy that. It's only 15 coins, but whatever. Okay, 5 gems. 5 gems. I'll take that. I'll take that. We're back at 50 again. From 120 and then to 50 and then 120. Again. We were at 130 actually. Weren't we? 129? I don't know. You will know though, because you will be watching. Yep, 600 coins. Told you. I told you guys I would get there, and I did. And you're welcome. And how many? Okay, 10. 10. Am I ever gonna run out? Am I ever gonna run out? Should I just buy something with it? No, I wouldn't. What? No. I thought I was going to get the claw. My friend got it like yesterday or something. Really good apparently. I think it's like 16 efficiency. Don't give me 50 because I don't want to be here all day. 5. I just keep going back to 60. I don't think I've gotten past 50. I don't know. You guys will have to watch back and tell me. Tell me in the comment section below. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 free spins. Come on, come on. Just want to hurry this up. Get something good. Oh, I thought I was going to get that gun. I think that's like a... I think that's a shotgun. We might even get our free spin again. Oh, yes! We got it. We got it. The photon shotgun. We got it. No freaking way. We just got what I said I wanted. And it's 9 instead of... I'll have to equip this because it's 10. Oh, it's equipped right now. Oh, equipped. There we go. But that's cool, the photon shotgun. I'll have to try that out. So we've gotten 2 weapons in primary so far. Let's aim for a sniper because I don't have something good in sniper. Not right now. Oh, I thought we were getting that. Alright, let's see if we can get past 50 gems, because if we can, that would be totally amazing. No, it wouldn't be amazing. Come on, come on. We're at 50. Don't get gems. Get the claw. No, no. Alright, we've surpassed 610. 600. We've gone past it. I'm never gonna get the shark gun. The shark gun has been there since I've been playing this game. It's been there the whole time. I don't like votes. I never use them. I never use sandbox mode. Never do anything. No. Don't. Why do you put sandbox stuff in here? I don't want sandbox. Alright. Homer the cat is making some noise. Because he is beautiful. No, I'm kidding. Oh, no, not a melee. Of course not. I'm never gonna get a melee. I think the claw's a melee, yeah. The claw? Oh, that was close. We got past 50. I was wrong. Oh, what's that? Okay, underwater worker. Don't really want that. Alright, so far we've gotten 2 weapons. That is pretty good. If I leave with 2 weapons, I will be okay with that. We gotten a lot more than what I thought we would have gotten. I thought we'd gotten 1. And, like, not those 250s. Like, those 250s were amazing. Oh, another 5 coins. We're at 620. 620 coins. Gems. Don't give me 50. Okay, 5. Actually, I wouldn't be mad if I got 50, but I just kind of want to finish this up because, you know, why not? Free spin. Oh, that skeleton thing. I gotta show you guys that. Where did it go? Oh my god, my phone is so hot. Where'd it go? Oh, it's gone. Alright, well, there was a guy he's in campaign, and, like, I don't know, you can get his skin, I guess. He's, like, the guy that shoots the big fireballs at you. You can also play him in co-op survival on online mode. If you press battle now. Oh, I was gonna... Come on. No, I don't want teddy bears. Alright, guys, we're nearing the end. I can see the end. If we get 50, I'm gonna have to stop this video. 3 frag grenades. Oh, that's a Halo skin. Combat Master. Alright. I'm not gonna change my skin because I like my skin. Oh, no. Alright, guys. This is the last one. Let's get something good. Good, good. Close my eyes. Don't give me something crappy. Don't give me something crappy. Coins. No. Alright, guys. So, in this opening, we got the rapid fire rifle and the photon shotgun. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.